Hello and welcome back to my YouTube series tutorial, and today we are going to continue to our tutorial. Previously we already created a splash screen, and today we are going to create a home component. Okay, before we getting started, just open up your splash screen GS, and on touchable velocity add on press property, and we're going to create some function, and the function is to navigate from splash to home screen. How to create that? You just create a navigation, and navigation is the props from app, and I was passing over here navigate, and the name of your stack component, and the stack component is home. So when you click this button, it will redirect, or it will move to a home screen component. Okay, we are going to create a view component and a safe area view component over here. And another view component, and another view component, also another view component. And here we are going to create some icon, and the icon was imported from React Native factor icon feeder icon, and the name is map pin, and the size is 25, I guess. Okay, save it. You will see there is beautiful icon. Okay, we're going to create another view here, and we're adding a tag component deliver to another tag component. Let's see, 63 Street, Celine, New York City. Is that Selena? And we'll create another view down here, and create an image component. It's not working. And the storage is from, what's it? Images and person GP. How to say GP? Is it JPEG or GP, JPH, JPG, JP? How to say that? Whatever. Okay. Just make sure it's loaded. It's loaded. Okay. And we're going to make some style here. I'll create the constant first, and the constant is styles. Styles is style set create. And it will be a container, and the container will be flex1, and the background color is should be this, a light green. Save it. Oh, I haven't apply a style yet, so I'm gonna apply into this view. Container. Nice. Okay, and on this save area view I will make another style, and the name is styles header, and header is the background color should be green. This green, you're going to make this part. Okay, and the border radius, border bottom radius, left radius should be 40, and border bottom right radius is also 40. Nice. And here we're going to create another style, and a style name would be header river, I guess. You can choose another name. I don't know. I'm confused to pick a name, but I think you can get what I mean. So it gonna be a flag direction to row because I want to make the component horizontally, and it justify content should be space around, and padding is 20, and padding bottom is, I don't know, 50. Okay, it's hidden by the image, so I gonna style the image first. The name is gonna be image. So the image, or maybe a header image, and the header image should be height 80 and width 80, and border radius should be 82, and we're adding some border color to white, and border width will be 2. Okay, it's nice. Okay, header river over here. I mean, I'm gonna put this inside this. Oh, no. Okay, just move on. We're going to create another style here. And the styles will be a header details. And the header details is, flex direction will be a row. Okay, and justify contents will be space between. It's not working. Oh, should I? Adding padding would be 90. Okay. And I don't know. It's too much. I'm gonna delete this. I'm sorry. Okay. Maybe we just image size a little bit. Okay. It's past between. Oh my gosh. That's it. I'm sorry. Okay, next I'm gonna style this styles app icon wrapper, and the map icon wrapper gonna be align self center. Okay, and we're going to create this styles to map icon, and the map icon style is gonna be have the color of dark blue, like this one. And the margin right will be 10. Okay, it's nice. And here, gonna add some style. And the styles will be either title, and this one's gonna be styles header subtitle. Gonna copy this. It has same color as well. And I'm gonna change the font family. It's on serif semi-bold, and font size would be 16. Okay, and the second one, oh, I guess it's not 16. It has a small font size. I'm gonna make this default. Okay, and this one, the font family is to be Montserrat regular, and it will be 16 font size. And we're adding text decoration. The decoration line will be underline. Okay. Okay, I think it's same like this. Okay. Next, we're going to create a text input or search bar. Okay, we're adding another view under the surface area view, and adding another view, and add an icon, and the name is search, and the size is 20. And we add text input, and the placeholder is search for anything. Okay, save it. And we are going to make a style. Here, the style is gonna be search, and it's gonna be search wrapper, and the icons also search icon, and take input. It's gonna be search input, search input, and copy this. And a search will be had margin horizontal 20. Okay, and it has white background color and has the border radius 20, and let's check this. Nice. And on a search wrapper, I'm gonna create a flex direction to row. Okay. On a search icon, I'm going to change the color to this color, a dark gray. And also add a margin right to 10. Okay. I'm gonna add padding. Actually, it's too small, so I'm gonna add some padding. It's 15. Nice. And on a search input, going change color to this color. Okay. And the font family is Montserrat Summable. Maybe medium. Medium. It's Montserrat. Okay. And I'm gonna put the search input a little bit upper, so I'm gonna add some margin top. It's minus 25. Okay, and we are gonna add some shadow box under the search input, so I'm gonna add some shadow color, will be black, and shadow offset say to 0, and width, sorry, height is 3 and the width is 0. So I'm adding a shadow radius to 3 and shadow opacity 3.5 and elevation is 1. Elevation, oh, it's too dark. Let me change this to 4 and this to 0.1. Nice. Okay, next we are going to make this horizontal flat list. I'm gonna create a flat list component down here, but we're gonna wrap it to a few components and flat list. And I already prepared the data. It created on data banner.js. I'm gonna load it first. I'm gonna call it highlight from data banner. So import categories from data categories. So the search is highlight, and I'm gonna create another component inside this home screen component. The components will be highlight, and the key extractor is item ID, and it will be horizontal, and we're going to remove horizontal indicator. I want to load this first so it will get the autocomplete. So horizontal scroll indicator until false, and we're going to create a new component called highlight, and we're passing an item props from the flat list. So I'm going to return a view here, and going to create another view and another view and a tag. The tags will be item like chips. I get from this object, and down here we add an image. Search from image, and down here we're adding another view, and the tag will be item title, and here item subtitle. So what's going on? Highlights, we can add a style first. It's gonna be highlight wrapper, highlight wrapper, can add margin top 20, return highlight, I'm gonna reload this. Maybe there's some mistakes. I'm sorry, I haven't a while. It is not search but data. Okay, and it did disappear here. A beautiful flat list horizontal. So next we're going to create a style to flat list, the flat list item. So I'm gonna create a style, and the styles will be highlight, and here we're gonna add another style, styles highlight item, on view can add another styles, gonna be chips container, and here chips. On image we're going to make a style to, so it will be highlight image, and here going to another style, highlight title, and highlight subtitle. Copy this, on highlight we are going to create a margin left to 20 and margin right to 10, and I'm adding to padding left 20, padding bottom 20, also create the border radius is 10. Okay, and on highlight item gonna change the flex direction to row, and align items will be flex in. Also I'm adding margin bottom 10. Okay, on the chip container I'm gonna create a background color to orange, and I'm adding padding until 20 and padding vertical 10 and border radius is 10. Okay, and on chip I'm going to change the background color to white and text transform to uppercase. It's not text transform, text transform, there is no uppercase. And we're going to change the font family to Montserrat. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm in the wrong. Wait a minute. Oh, it's not background color, it's color. Okay, and highlight image will be, oh, resize the font 12. Okay, it has height to 100 and width 100. Okay, and the titles will be Montserrat Pool, and font size will be 16, and text transform will be uppercase, and it has color white and margin bottom 5. Okay, You won't see that because the background is like so. I'm gonna to keep moving on. Can I change subtitle? The font family will be Montserrat regular. Font size will be 12 and color is also white. Okay. I've already had a background color here, so I'm gonna change the background color dynamically. So I'm gonna put the background color here. The background color is item background color. Okay. Already done create a horizontal flat disk. Next, we are going to create a list view. I mean, a scroll view. So for that, we will create this title and this text. So create a view component, another view component, another view component, and text component will be sorted by category. Second one, CO. Okay. We're going to change the style. That will be styles. Category wrapper, and it's gonna be styles category, and its text gonna be category title. It will be styles category subtitle. Copy this and paste it. I'm gonna adding some padding horizontal and a margin top 20, and flex will be 1. And on category we change the flex direction to row, and the justify content will be space between. Now we'll change the align items to flex and ouch. Okay, and on a title we can change the font family to Montserrat symbol, and the color will be dark blue, dark green, and the font size will be 18. Okay, on a subtitle change the font family to Montserrat regular, and the color will be light green, and with the text decoration line underline. Okay, And then we're going to create a scroll view under here. Scroll view rating style. I'm gonna put the style here. I'm adding margin top to 10. And we already had a category. The categories is an array, and instead this array has an array. So I have three objects inside the array because the display is kind of like this. So I'm gonna create some multiple array and render it here using map. So how to create it? I'm gonna map the categories and create the alias to chunk, and I need the index to. And here we kind of return some view component, and inside this we're going to map the chunk and create the category constant, and inside here we're going to return another view. Okay, and create another view. And create some image. An image will be gray image, and inside here I'm going to create here we're going to create some tags, and a tag will be title, save it. Oh, we need the key. Key is index, and here the key is ID. Okay, we're gonna style this view, so I'm gonna styling here. Width should be, I'm gonna create the width constant first. So height is equal to dimension get width window, and the width is width divided by t minus 30, and margin horizontal would be 10, and justify content would be center. I'm adding margin button to 20. Okay, and here we create another style. I'm sorry, I'm in the wrong. This is on this part. And here we're going to change the flex direction to row and justify content to center, and the margin top is 10. Okay, And here we're going to create some style again. The width is same like the wrapper, and the height so width. Okay, and this, take a line, be center, and the font family Montserrat regular. Okay, and we're going to add some overlay here, a box behind this images. So I'm gonna create this here. I'm gonna create some style. Position will be absolute, and the top will be 0, and the background color will be this light green. And border radius is 30. 10. And the width is width divided by 3 minus 30, and height is width divided by 3 also, minus 60. Okay, here we get a beautiful scroll view. And now we are going to create a bottom tab navigation. I'm gonna create a simple one because the example is kind of like a little bit hard because there's a lot of work, so I'm gonna make a simple one. Okay, we're adding another view here, and another view, another view, and here we adding some icon, and the size will be 24. And I copy this 5 times. It will be great, and it's gonna be person is gonna be stopping card, I guess. Let's sub him back, and it's gonna be more horizontal. Okay, and we're going to create some style, and here the position is gonna be absolute, and width bottom it's 0, and padding bottom will be 30, 60, and padding to be 20. Okay, and also I'm adding padding horizontal to 20. Okay, and also the background color is white. Okay, and we're adding a style here. I'm gonna change flag direction to row, and I'm adding padding horizontal, so 20, and justify content will be passed around. And that's it. Also, I'm gonna create some style to icon. Styles gonna be styles footer icon, and footer icons will be the color is dark gray, dark blue, I don't know. Okay, nice. And we're going to make some special icon in the center. So before that, you can see there is a shadow on the upper of the bottom tab. So I'm gonna add a shadow first. And the shadow color should be black. And shadow offset height will be -2, and the width is 0. And the border, shadow radius will be 10, and the shadow opacity is 0.05. Nice. And we're gonna change the center icon to be a special one. I need to create another view, and we're gonna style view. Width is width divided by 8. Okay, and we're gonna make this icon position absolute, so absolute, and the background color is dark blue, and height is 60. Also the width is 60, and the border radius also 60. I'm gonna change the top direction to -20, -50, and I changed the align items to center, just define content to be a center, and align self also center. Nice. I'm gonna change the color to white. Nice. Also, I'm gonna add some gap here, but not like this, but kind of look like. So I'm gonna search some SVG code for half circle, and here I get one. I'm gonna copy the path. I'm gonna put in here. I'm using React React SVG, I mean, sorry. And the width is gonna be 80 and height also 80. And inside this I'm gonna create a path, and the attribute it will be, but I'm gonna a little bit reduce the value. Okay, save this. Okay, I'm gonna make some style. Wait a minute, I forget the fill. Fill's gonna be this color. Make some style, and the style will be, the position is gonna be absolute, and align self gonna be a center, and top will be -60. You see that? It's a little bit cap here, so much. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for watching my videos, and see you in the next videos. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment on a comment description below, on the comment section below, sorry. Okay, thanks for anything. Goodbye.